Hello everyone, I am Monisha here. I am teaching maths and physics for 8th grade to 12th grade students from past 10 years. In this video, I have covered second and third question completely of exercise 1.1. In that, we will be finding out the first 4 terms of an AP and also to find out the first term and the common difference in the given sequence. So go through the entire video so that you can understand the concept clearly. Here in this section I will be solving exercise 1.1, in which only the second question I will be solving. The second question is, write the first 4 terms of an AP when first term A and common difference D is given as follows. Okay, the first question is A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. So here the first term A is also 10 and the common difference is also 10. Here we need to find out the first 4 terms. The solution is so first we need to find out T1, then T2, T3 and T4. So these are the first 4 terms of an AP. Okay, so T1 is given as A. A is first term and A is also equal to T1. So A is given as 10. So the first term is also equal to 10. The second term is given by A plus D. A plus D. Here A is 10 and D is also 10. So the second term is equal to 20. So next, T3 is equal to A plus 2D. Here A is 10 plus 2 into D is also 10. Therefore, 10 plus 20, that is equal to 30. So next, T4 is given by A plus 3D, which is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10, which is equal to 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. So this is the way of doing or finding out the first 4 terms of an AP. There is one more alternate method which I will give you here. Here T1 is same. T1 is also equal to A. Therefore T1 will be 10 itself. T2 is equal to previous term is T1 plus common difference. Okay, in this first method or in like this alternate method also you can do, both will fetch marks for you. So T1 is 10 plus common difference in the question is 10, so that is equal to 20. Next, T3 is equal to previous term T2 plus common difference. The previous term is 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Next, T4 is equal to previous term T3 plus common difference D is equal to previous term is 30 plus common difference is 10 is equal to 40. In either of the one method you can do, whichever you feel easier, you can do that. Moving on to the second question. The second question is A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 0. So this will be the easier one. So the first 4 terms, T1 is equal to first term A, that will be equal to minus 2 itself because T1 is also equal to minus 2. Next is T2 is equal to A plus D, so that will be minus 2 plus D is 0, so it will be equal to minus 2 itself. Next, T3 is equal to A plus 2D, so that will be minus 2 plus 2 into 0 is equal to minus 2 plus 0 into anything will be equal to 0 itself. So the answer is minus 2. Next, T4, the fourth term T4 is equal to A plus 3D. So it will be equal to minus 2 plus 3 into 0. So it will become minus 2 plus 0. So minus 2 itself. So all the terms T1, T2, T3, T4, all the terms are equal to minus 2. So moving on to the third problem. So the third problem is A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. Here we need to find out all the 4 terms. So again T1 is equal to first term. So T1 is equal to 4. T2 is equal to A plus D. So A is 4 plus D is minus 3. Since they are given minus, we have to insert a bracket here. So 4 plus into minus, minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So next, third term is given by A plus 2D is equal to 4 plus 2 into minus 3. So this will be 4. Here plus into minus. Plus into minus, first the sign interchange you have to do here. You have to multiply plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. Bracket is nothing but multiplication. So 2 into 3 is 6. So it will become minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So next is fourth term. Fourth term is given by A plus 3D. A is 4 plus 3 into minus 3. Here 4 as it is. Again plus into minus is minus. 3 3s are 9. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Hope you understand this. Let us move on to the fourth problem. So fourth problem is A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to half. That is 1 by 2. D is equal to 1 by 2. So first term T1 is equal to A, which is equal to minus 1. Next T2 is equal to A plus D. Here A is minus 1 plus D is 1 by 2. So when we take LCM, the LCM will be 2 itself. Then what will become? Minus 1 will become 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 as it is. Since the LCM is 2, here also LCM is 2. Since LCM is 2, the numerator will remain as it is. So therefore it will become minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, hope you understood this. Next, third term is A plus 2D. So A is minus 1 plus 2 into D is half. So here 2 and 2 get cancels each other. So the remaining is minus 1 plus 1. So what is minus 1 plus 1? It will be 0. Okay. The last term, fourth term, T4. So T4 is given by A plus 3D. So A is minus 1 plus 3 into D is 1 by 2. So what it will become? Minus 1 plus here 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 divided by 2. Again we need to take LCM. Here LCM will be 2. So when we take LCM 2 here, it will just multiply with each other. So minus 2 plus 3. So the numerator has to remain as it is. So it will become 1 by 2. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1 by 2. So hope you understood the second, third and fourth problem. Moving on to the fifth problem. Moving on to the fifth question of this second exercise. Okay, here the fifth question is A is equal to minus 1.25. A is minus 1.25, the first term, and D is equal to minus 0.25. Okay, so A is minus 1.25 and D is minus 0.25. So the first term is equal to A, also equal to minus 1.25 as it is. Okay, the second term is given by A plus D, that is A is minus 1.25 plus D is minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 plus into minus is minus 0.25. Okay, here minus into minus plus, we need to do the operation addition, but the sign must be minus. Why? The larger number signifies by the sign minus. I will do it here. That is 1.25 plus 0.25. So both have minus sign. So minus into minus is plus. Here 5 plus 5, 10, 0 and 1 carry. So here 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. Here you have to notice the larger number is 1.25 and the 1.25, the sign signified as minus. So here you need to write minus itself. Okay. So the value for T2, the second term, is minus 1.50. Minus 1.50. Moving on to the third term. Third term is given by A plus 2D. A is minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. Here we need to multiply it first. That is minus 1.25 as it is. Here plus into minus minus. Then we need to multiply 2 into 0.25. Okay. So 0.25 into 2. So what will become? 2 into 5, 10. 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 5.0. Okay. So it is 0.50. 0.50. Next, minus into minus is plus. We need to add both the number. That is minus 1.25 minus 0.50. Okay. So here it will become 5. 5 plus 0 is 5 itself. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 0 is 1. The larger number is minus 1.25. So minus. Okay. So the answer is minus 1.75. So this is the value for third term. Next, moving on to the fourth term. Fourth term is given by A plus 3D. So A is minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. Okay. Here minus 1.25 plus into minus is minus. You need to multiply 0.25 into 3. So it will become 3 5s are 15. 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 7. 0.3 into 0, 0. It is 0.75. So it will become 0.75. Next, minus into minus plus. You need to add both the numbers. That is minus 1.25 and minus 0.75. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is 0. 10. 1 carry. This is also 10. 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1 carry here. So it will become minus 2. Okay. So the fourth term, the answer for the fourth term is minus 2.00. So this is the value. So one more time you can write, or you can leave as it is. That is, the value for T1 is minus 1.25. The value for T2 is minus 1.50. And the value for T3 is minus 1.75. And the value for T4 is minus 2.00. So this is the way of doing first 4 terms of an AP. Okay, hope you understood this. Moving on to the third main of exercise 1.1. In third main, we need to find the first term and common difference for the given APs. Okay, the sequence will be given. In that sequence, we need to find the first term and the common difference. Okay, here the first sequence is 3, comma, plus 1, comma, minus 1, comma, minus 3. So this is the first sequence, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, etc. Here this will be first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So what we need to find? We need to find the first term and common difference. The first term is given by A. A is always equal to T1. So A is equal to 3. The first term is given as 3. Next we need to find out common difference. So what is common difference? The difference between the second term to the first term, or third term to the second term, or fourth term to the third term, and so on. So preceding term minus the first term. Okay. So the common difference here, I will be taking T2 minus T1. Okay. T2 minus T1. Here T2 is, what is the second term here? The second term is 1 minus the first term is 3. So the common difference is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this is the common difference. We have found out the first term and the common difference. Okay. So moving on to the second question. The second sequence is minus 5, comma, minus 1, comma, 3, comma, 7, etc. Okay. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, etc. Here the first term is equal to A. So it is always equal to minus 5. Here first you need to write the terms here, T1, T2, T3 and T4. Here the first term is A. A is equal to minus 5. Next the common difference. Common difference is given by T2 minus T1. So the common difference T2. Here T2 is minus 1 minus of. See, T1 is given as minus 5. When minus sign appears, you need to put a bracket here. Okay. T1 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 5. So the common difference, here I will write the second continuation. Okay. Here the common difference D is equal to minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Okay. This is the common difference of the second question. Next, moving on to the third question. The third sequence is 1 by 3, comma, 5 by 3, comma, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3, etc. Here this is T1, T2, T3 and T4. As usual, first we need to find out the first term. First term T1 is also equal to A. That will be 1 by 3, the first term. Next is common difference. Common difference is given by T2 minus T1. Here T2 is 5 by 3 minus T1 is 1 by 3. Since the denominator is same, the LCM will be 3 itself. So if LCM is 3, the numerator will remain as it is. So 5 minus 1. So the common difference here is 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 3. So this is the common difference. The first term is 1 by 3 and common difference is 4 by 3. So this is the last question of third main. Fourth one. The sequence is 0.6, comma, 1.7, comma, 2.8 and 3.9, etc. So first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So first we need to find out the first term. First term is given by A, and A and T1 is equal to 0.6 itself. Okay. Next is common difference D. So common difference D is given by T2 minus T1, where T2 is 1.7 minus T1 is 0.6. Okay. We need to subtract 0.6 by 1.7. So it will become minus 1.1. So common difference is, plus. The larger number is 1.7. So the sign will be plus. So answer is 1.1. So this is the way to find out the first term and the common difference. Usually they will give you for 1 marks in your board exam. Okay, hope you understood this session. Thank you.